Hello, viewers. I'm sure all of you know that there are several illegal constructions that are happening across the country. I'm sure all of you also know that courts have started coming down very heavily on builders who are flouting building norms and doing constructions which are not only illegal but go way beyond the sanction plan, and at times they're even encroaching the land that does not belong to them. Such impunity has been noticed by the courts across the country, and the Supreme Court of India, in particular, has passed a very harsh judgment which has sent shudders down the spines of several builders. In the matter titled as Supertech Builders versus Emerald Court Residents Association, a 2022 matter that came up before the Supreme Court of India, the Residents Association complained that the land that had been reserved for a park for the residents and the children was utilized by Supertech to build two commercial towers, which had been passed by the sanctioning authorities. Strangely, the sanctioning authorities had given the permission for building 14 floors, but Supertech, with all its might, decided to build 40 floors. When the matter came up before the Supreme Court noticed the impunity with which Supertech had flouted all the rules. They therefore directed demolition of the towers, and in August 2022, both the towers were demolished to the ground, much to the shock and horror of builders across the nation. In a recent case that came up before the Telangana High Court, which is still at the initial stages, titled as Jiju Varapu Ramesh versus State of Telangana, writ petition 12889 of 2025. The petitioner had made a complaint that the builder was sanctioned a plan of 2 floors but went ahead and constructed the 3rd and 4th floor. The court came down very heavily on GHMC and asked the GHMC why they had not sealed the illegal construction. GHMC claimed that they had issued notices. The court held that very mechanical issuance of notices is not sufficient and that GHMC must take proactive steps. GHMC has been told that if they fail to do so, it would be deemed to be a contempt of court. Let us see what happens in this matter in June when it comes up next. If you want to learn more on the topic, log on to our channel which is mentioned below and learn for yourself. Thank you. Happy viewing.